Hey guys, I'm at a strip mall I've never been in before. Let's go looking for fans. Ooh, almost slipped on the ice there. So here's a gym, and I don't want to be too nosy about people working out in there, but you can see they got some Westinghouse industrials and some of the like Menardsy things. So we'll just go quickly past that because I don't want people to think I'm looking at them working out. Oh, there's the entrance. Anything over here? Nothing in that one. A lot of ice here. I guess I need to look at where I'm walking and not. Anything in there? Nope. Anything in here? Can't see because it's dark. Looks abandoned. I don't see a ceiling of any kind. Okay. So over here is where I saw some fans when I was driving in. So this is where I thought I would start. There's a CEC hugger with the ribbed sideband. You don't see those much anymore. What kind of place is this? Carpets. I think they're closed, but yeah. Anything over here? There's another CEC. If there's some windows on this side, I might be able to get closer. Oh, there's a 5-blade thing. Probably replaced the CEC. No windows on the side. Over here is a chiropractor's office. Nope. Look like that's it. So, really the only thing I wanted to show you guys was the CECs. 5-blade thing. There's probably at least 2 on this side and 2 on the other side. Thanks for watching.